Describe the photo. In this picture, there is a woman juggling 3 apples in a kitchen. To juggle. She is juggling. 2 of the apples are in the air, and we'll never know if she catches them. In front of her, we can see a pot with a cover on it, where she is probably boiling water. The pot is on what I think is an electric cooker or cooktop. Behind her, we can see a kitchen counter. There's a white blender, some shelves, a coffee machine, some cups and glasses, and so on. In the top right corner, it looks like there are some spices or cooking ingredients. On the left side of the photo, we can see a faucet. But where's the sink? Perhaps she's in a furniture shop just playing around. Anyways, there's also a basket of oranges back there. The camera is focused on our juggler, who is wearing a gray shirt. She looks happy. Maybe she's trying to impress friends. Maybe she drank a little too much. Maybe she's simply having fun in the kitchen, which is always nice to do. For more photo descriptions from the kitchen, check out one of these videos.